Hello everyone, welcome back to the programming news video, and in this video we will discuss what programming language used at the ISRO. So let's move on the first screen. So first of all, I just want to tell you that ISRO actually a very large organization, and this is the only one space organization of the India, and it have around 16 centers in all over India like Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Bombay, Hyderabad. All right, and technologies which we are talking about, the programming languages are actually depends on the center, area, groups and division, but still we will discuss the measure of the technology which is used inside the ISRO, and after that in one slide we will see that how we can get the job inside the ISRO also. So let's move on the first slide. So first of all, I just want to talk about the Fortran language. This is the actually a very old and solid programming language, and this is used in the ISRO in many programming, many technical groups, you can say that, right? The reason of using the Fortran is this is a high speed and a very efficient language, and the use of this is for the numerical computations. And if you just want to take an example where it can be used, so for example we can discuss there the weather forecasting and predictions. For that Fortran is a very perfect language, so the all the numeric computations can be done by the Fortran in the weather prediction. All right, so this is the one of the technology which is used inside the ISRO. So let's move on the next one. So next one is the MATLAB. All right, so I think if you are a BTech student or engineering student, then you must know about the MATLAB, and this is extensively used for the graphics and plotting purposes. All right, so for example in the mathematical algebra and matrices, so MATLAB is very helpful for them, and this is actually a commercial software. This is not a free, so this is a very typical to learn for everyone. So you cannot learn at the home because this is a commercial and you have to buy the license, but in the ISRO this is widely used here. All right, so if you just want to go in the ISRO, then you can try for the MATLAB also. All right, so now let's move on the next one, and this is my favorite one also, which is the Python. All right, so actually if you just want to ask me uh, do you get this knowledge, so I got the all of this knowledge is from the Google and Stack Overflow and some question bloggers, and mainly from a blog which is written by the ISRO scientist himself. All right, so Python is also used inside the ISRO, and the main use of this is data processing of the satellite data. All right, and this is also said by the ISRO engineer that Python is mostly used in the technical languages, and there is some other technical languages also like C, C++, Java, and JavaScript and Perl. These are also used in the ISRO. So with the behalf of all these slides, we can say that ISRO is not specific for a technology. Any technology can be used inside the ISRO. They are totally depend on how the technology are reliable, how speedily we can work with these technologies and all right, so now let's move on the last slide, which is how we can join the ISRO. So there is a two-way. One, you can search Google the Indian Institutes of Space and Science, Space Science and Technology. Just Google it and you can find the all detail about that. All right, so and the second thing is you can just visit this address of the official website of the ISRO, and you can find the many openings here, and you can try for the exams for ISRO, and you can join the ISRO. So, and obviously we all are the proud on the ISRO, and if you think that you can join, then you should try for it. Right, so at the last, thank you for your valuable time, and if you have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel, because in a week I maybe put the 3 or 4 programming news on my channel, even Hindi as well as in English. All right, so you can like this video if you just find something here, and you can comment on my video if you have any query, you have any opinion, suggestion. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.